Stop burning your money on expensive apps. I'm about to show you 5 free AI tools that replace Canva Pro, Grammarly Premium, Notion AI, Adobe Suite, and even ChatGPT Plus. No trials, no credit card traps. Let's save you 20,000 rupees every single month. The first tool is Gamma. If you are still building presentations manually, you are wasting hours. Gamma builds an entire deck from a one prompt. Title, layout, icons, images, structure, all done instantly. This replaces Canva Pro, PowerPoint, Notion AI writing, and honestly, it does a cleaner job. Students, easy project deck. Freelancers, client facing proposals. Founders, pitch deck. Agencies, brand deck in a minute. You remove 80% of manual work and save a real money. And yes, it is completely free, no watermark, no gimmick. The second tool is Perplexity AI, the ChatGPT Plus killer. ChatGPT Plus is amazing, but you don't need it. Perplexity gives you a GPT-4 level intelligence, real-time data, sources, citations, everything. ChatGPT doesn't give you for a free. Research faster, content writing cleaner, scripts, reports, summaries, better structure, and zero hallucination. Everyone wastes money on ChatGPT Plus because nobody tastes alternatives. This one tool alone save you more than 2,000 a month. The third tool is QuillBot plus free paraphraser. Zero error writing stack. If you write anything, emails, resumes, captions, you are probably paying for a Grammarly Premium or QuillBot Premium. Don't. The free version already give you grammar fixes, tone improvement, paragraph rewrites, clarity upgrade, academic mode, writer students, job seekers, content creators. This tech remove 90% of writing error without spending a rupee. Stop paying for a tool that AI broke 2 years ago. Fourth tool is Runway ML, free creative suite. Adobe charges you over 2,300 rupees a month and 90% of editor only use 10% of the feature. Runway replaces almost everything. Remove background, erase objects in video, generate AI clips, upscale low quality footage, color grade automatically, create B-roll for a free. Creators, freelancers, agencies, this tool alone replaces Pro Plus After Effects for any intermediate level, and the free plan give you enough to edit entire YouTube video. The fifth tool is Durable AI, the freelancer's weapon. This might be most underrated AI tool today. Durable builds full websites in seconds. Copy, layout, call to action button done automatically. This replaces Wix Premium, Webflogs, Figma Mockup, copywriting tools. If you are a freelancer, this is a business. Sell websites for 3,000 to 10,000 while paying nothing. You are saving money and making money. These 5 tools alone replaces Canva Pro, ChatGPT Plus, Grammarly Premium, Adobe Suite, Wix, Webflogs, Notion AI, QuillBot, paid research tool, video editor, and cut over 20,000 rupees per month from your expense. If you want AI hype, this isn't the channel. But if you want AI tools that actually save you money and the system actually make you money, subscribe, because next week I'm dropping the free AI workflow freelancers are using to earn their first 10,000.